Hi, the European summer is getting hotter, and if you're looking for a refreshing frozen treat that's made entirely from fresh fruits, you are in the right place. So today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful ice cream right here. Amazing. Using strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, mango, oranges, refreshing coconut water, and it's very colorful, naturally sweet, easy to prepare, and perfect for cooling down. On a hot summer day like this particular week, it's gonna get really hot. So let's get started. These are all the ingredients will be needed. We'll be needing some strawberries, blueberries, mango, oranges, kiwi, and blueberries. You can use the ingredients you prefer, but these were just the ingredients I preferred at this stage. It just gives that perfect balance, sour, sweet, and a very perfect good balance for electrolytes and good nourishment during this heat wave, instead of packing so much sugar and loading so much calories into your body. So if you're someone who is looking out on your weight loss journey and yet you want to enjoy a very refreshing, cooling summer, then this recipe is definitely for you. Hang with me and let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you wash the berries with some bicarbonate and some salt, and this is how the water turned out to be. Very dirty. This helps to kill all the germs and also remove all the parasites from these particular fruits. Then make sure you rinse a couple of times, so many times. I did that like 5 times before I actually started chopping the fruits like this. So I prefer to chop my strawberries into these formats. No particular format is needed, but just make it in such a way that it will be able to enter the ice cream forms and produce the good shape that is necessary, because putting just the full strawberries like this will be really difficult, and it will occupy a lot of space, and when it's frozen it's kind of really actually very difficult to eat. So make sure you do it like this, like you're seeing on your screen. So if you watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Tell me in the comment if you'll be trying this particular recipe, because I bet you this week will be really hot. So if you're looking for something to cool down for children, this is really suitable for everyone, both or adults, those looking out to lose weight, maintain weight, and for hormonal balance, and also for a good treat. This is very necessary and it is good suiting for your body. So try this and let me know in the comment section. So here are some of the health benefits of every ingredient listed in this video. So we'll start with the strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber. Strawberries also help support your immune system, contribute to healthy skin, and provides a natural sweet flavor with relatively fewer calories. Then we have the blueberries as well. Blueberries are often called superfruits, and they are packed with antioxidants as well and helps to protect your body cells. They also provide vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and fiber, making them to be nutritious to this particular dessert. Then we have the kiwi. Kiwi is also an excellent source of vitamin C and also provides vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and fiber. It is refreshing taste and also perfect for hot summer days like this one. Then we have mango. Mango adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture while supplying vitamin A and C alongside beneficial plant compounds and fiber. It is delicious. It is a delicious way to enjoy tropical flavor without adding sugar. So if you look at most of the strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, mango, they all contain vitamin C, which is very good for your skin. So if you're looking for a skin glow during the summer without looking out for dehydration, then this particular fruit should be a go in your routine during these summer days. Then we have oranges as well. Oranges are well known for high vitamin C content, still vitamin C again, and they also provide folate, potassium, antioxidants, and plenty of juicy freshness, making this dessert even more refreshing. Here are my ice cream forms I'm going to be using. I am using these 8 ice cream forms, and these are really actually perfect for this particular recipe. It took me time to figure out how I'm going to be using these forms, but actually I figured out when I had already placed everything. I was supposed to place the stick right in behind these ice cream forms like this. There's just a particular small set that is designed just for the ice cream sticks, to set it in like that before even adding every other thing. So I figured out only at the end of the day, when I thought I could just put it at the end like this and cover it, but I realized that the ice cream forms were not closing as it should. Then I decided to look at it again and take a second look. Then I discovered that I made a mistake and I missed that point. So I put that immediately after that. So I put this in my refrigerator for the whole night, and the next day this was how it turned out to be. Hardened, but you can leave this in your refrigerator for at least 5 hours and you're good to go. If you watched this video up to this point, therefore means this particular recipe is of interest to you. Please stay tuned and see the outcome. But meanwhile, comment down below what's your interest on this video, and tell me what you think about this video, what I should improve or what you should be adding, what other fruits you prefer to do it like this. If you have kids, I definitely recommend this particular recipe because it's really refreshing. Kids will love it, and it's a way for them to actually take their vegetables and fruits without complaining, because during this cold weather, who would not want a cool ice cream to be sucking, which is sweet and juicy and at the same time supplying the necessary nutrients that you need. So this is very necessary for anyone. So my reason for adding this coconut water is that it's naturally refreshing and contains electrolytes such as potassium, which can be a welcome addition after sweating on hot days. It also adds a light tropical flavor without making the dessert heavy. This is how it. Hear my feedback. Very delicious. It's actually very perfect. It's made entirely from fruits, no added sugar. I didn't add any sugar, and naturally sweet and refreshing, packed with vitamin, antioxidants, fiber, and plant nutrients. And it's lighter alternative to many traditional ice creams with heavy cream, so much calories, and so on and so forth, and even heavy fats as well. So it's a perfect cooling down. It's perfect cooling down recipe for very hot days. Like this coming week is going to be really hotter. So sometimes the simplest ingredients create the most refreshing recipes. This colorful fruit ice cream is a delicious way to celebrate summer while enjoying a natural flavor and nutrients that fresh fruits has to offer. So please do well to hit the subscribe button and comment down below what you think about this. Please do well to let me know in the comment section which fruits you would like to add to your perfect summer ice cream. And thanks for watching my video. Stay cool this summer and have a beautiful summer. During these hot days, stay cool and make sure you think about this particular recipe. Look at that. You can store this in Ziploc bags like this and place in the fridge, and in very hotter days or when you just want to cool down and have some good moments. Look at me enjoying this evening. That night was so good and I actually wanted more, and I was longing for another one. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.